Microsoft is officially ending support for Windows 10 on October 14th, 2025. No more updates, no more security patches. Your PC will be vulnerable, and hackers know it. Today, I will show you exactly how to upgrade to Windows 11 without losing a single file or app, and why you need to do it before that deadline hits. This is the safest, easiest, and most up-to-date method as of August 2025. I've helped thousands of users upgrade smoothly, and I'll walk you through every click. Step 1. Preparation. Even though we're keeping your files and apps, it's smart to back up your important documents just in case. Next, check if your apps are compatible with Windows 11. Also, note your Windows edition and version. Type WinVer in the Run box. My example shows Windows 10 Pro version 22H2. Finally, check your system language. Open command prompt as admin and type dism/online/get-intl. My PC shows English Great Britain, so I'll need the Windows 11 English International ISO. Download the official Windows 11 ISO from the link in the description. On Microsoft site, scroll to download Windows 11 disk image for x64 devices. Select Windows 11 and confirm. Then choose your product language. Make sure it matches your Windows 10 language and click 64-bit download. Before installing, make sure your PC meets Windows 11's requirements. 1 GHz CPU with more than 2 cores, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, TPM2, UEFI, and Secure Boot. If your PC doesn't meet these, watch my other video on the bypassing requirements. Mount the downloaded ISO, then run Setup, and click Next. Here, choose Not Right Now for updates to speed things up. You will see it's set to keep personal files and apps. For example, I have WinRAR installed on my Windows 10. We will check after the upgrade to confirm it's still there. Click Install and let it run. Be aware that your PC will restart a few minutes. While we wait, it's perfect time to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss my upcoming Windows 11 tips, especially before Windows 10 support ends in October 14th. Welcome to Windows 11. Log in and let your profile load and check your files and apps. My desktop files are here and WinRAR survived the upgrade, just as promised. Remember, after October 14th, Windows 10 is done. Upgrade now to stay secure. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. I will respond to all of them. And at the end, here's Windows tutorial tips. I hope this has been informative for you, and thank you for viewing.
Subscribe for more knowledge for geeks. Do like, write comments to ask what's this.